Today I'm going to share something different, yeah? How I made my $5. The first dollar I made in in the internet. I'm going to share with you the website, what I did, what I used to do, what I was researching on. I didn't get the money, but I was researching on, I was working things out, what problems I encountered. I'm going to talk to you everything. Um but before we do that, I wanted to encourage you. If you can see down there, I've tried to hide my subscribers. Why? They're too few. You might refuse to watch my video if you see my subscribers. They're too few. So I want the subscribers. I want them. And it would be good if you help me to subscribe. Like a lot. It would guide me. I know how people want me to push these videos. I'm going to be creating these videos. I've sacrificed a lot to buy this mic, almost a whole of my savings and the computer.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
One of the reasons I failed to do some projects on internet that would pay me even more is because of the computer. I had a very slow computer. Yeah, a dual core. If you know dual core, when you go on internet, it freezes. Yeah, and I didn't have a good phone. But now I have this phone, so it kind of helps me a lot. Internet, I just put, I connect my Wi-Fi through this. I don't use a modem. I just hotspot my computer through the phone, and I'll be able to just post my videos, learn things on how to make money, research, and it worked for me slow. It was slow, but I kept on going. So that's what I'm going to show with you. I'm going to show you live, just like how I used to do my things. First step, when I go to Google, when I open my computer, then I go deeper into it, like, where now? So that's what I'm going to show you today. If you're here, subscribe again. Yes, subscribe. That red thing, I think it's here, here. Yes, here. You see there, just red button. Doesn't cost penny, doesn't cost money to press that button. What that button is going to do is enable you to get my videos, and at the same time push my video for other people to see. My camera is not nice. I'm trying to invest money, get some lighting, then I'll be able to show you my somehow where I look very clearly. But for now, endure with me. This is what I can do. This is what I can do for now. Yeah. But of course, as I continue, I'm going to continue to invest and see how I can improve, especially my display, even the mic. But I think this one sounds fair now. So yes, simple, but it works. So let's go. I'm going to take it to my computer and we see how I used to do these things. Yeah, so my face is going to disappear for now. Endure and start from. And when I'm here, I always, one thing that comes in my mind is how to make money. I don't how to really know much. You see, when you type something like this is what happens. You get this kind of suggestions, and I can tell you, my $5, it came from here. This first one, I pressed on it. Yeah, guess what I saw, my friends? I saw something that actually changed my life, and this is exactly what I saw. This right here, from here up to here. So I'm going to show you the ones I started with. The first one I started with was actually enroll number 3. Number 3. It was so simple. You just keep on pushing things, and then the cow. It has a thing of a cow, and let me just wait. This is the same website I opened. Let me just open it. When I open this website, this is the same. Just got me right here. This is the same website I actually got into. Yeah, and when I saw this website, It is about testing websites, uh, applications that will pay you for testing other people's websites, just like the one I'm doing here right now. I scroll when I'm speaking to you. That is how I got my first $5. Then after 2 weeks I got 10. After 2 weeks I got 5. After 2 weeks I got again 10. So I kept on increasing and increasing. So this is what I read. I read all these respondent. I tried signing up. I'm going to tell you in some videos of mine what happened when I tried some of these websites, what I got, what I succeeded, what I failed at. I'll tell you everything. Respondent does the same thing. All you have to do is test someone's website. This is a very known website on the USA. They pay people a lot of money. Yeah, you see here it's written 5, 15 or 20 or 3 for 5-minute test. Like, but these people pay a lot. Just imagine you doing 10 minutes, $10. Like, you can do a test for, like, within 5 minutes, $10. Within 10 minutes, 15. And in a day you have very many hours. You can make a lot of money with that website. But I didn't go for it because the trick about this one is these people are mean. They have only accepted people from the USA to do their work, and some other countries, not our poor countries of let's say Africa. This is a very strict website, but I remember I got some $10 from them. This one here. I would just encourage these people, open the website. Some of us have some knowledge too. If you want us to work for you, we can do this. This is a very good website. If they open in Africa, I'll be the first one to throw a video. Now I continued reading about this. This is the one that I pressed. I don't know why I pressed on it. And this website is interesting. You see here, this is it. They have this cow here. You see, when you're completing their tasks, I don't know if I still have an email with them. I don't have. I think it's in my other browser. But all you have to do is sign up for this. When you sign up, let me see if they have any detail on them. This cow here, they have like accept. They have like a bar that will continue becoming green when you try to answer simple questions like, are you a boy? You say yes, the cow moves. When it reaches a certain time, that cow, they will give you some dollars. It's not much. This website gave me, I think, $0.5. I got tired of it and I exited very fast. But I now was getting somewhere very even competitive and getting more money, but my patience was so high that I couldn't manage staying for this website. So I went ahead and went for this one here. I'm going to close this website here. So that's the first one. I got my first $0.5. So the next one I went for was this one here. This one actually is a fee. When I signed up for this, I won't lie you, I did sign up very well, applied. The problem, I did not get any test to do. I don't know why. And if you see, I don't know if they can give me. If you see here, they'll say 400k people visit this website. They didn't give me a single work to do. Don't know why up to now. I don't know if they also strict with Africans. So I kinda went away from them also very fast. Within a week I was out. Then they claim they also you'll earn $10 for each test, but I never got a chance even to prove that. Never got. So that website was really done for me. So user time I signed up for this, but this is European based, American based. So I would not encourage people from Africa to do it unless you're going to use VPN, which is not encouraged. So I tried this one here. I should try it again. They look to have updated their website also. I tried this. I even downloaded their app on the phone. I'm a very impatient man sometimes. When I come on internet, I want money like that very fast, like super fast. And this website here did not really give me much to do with. They were strict on me, asking questions that I couldn't even answer. but they talked like they're going to improve their website. So by now, I guess it's even more good and friendly. So I continued down. This is the website, remember, I went to. And then I landed on this big boy here. Userlytics is a great as it doesn't just require you to test a website for money. You can also get paid to test apps, concepts, and other digital products. This is the one I got my $5 first ones from. So this one at first, I just was working with the phone. This is how it looks. Very simple. This is the same way it looked that time, and it was I think a year ago. This is the same way it looked. And signing up to this website is very, very easy. Yeah. And this website, the best thing about them, they accept people from anywhere. Yeah. From anywhere. But I would not encourage you if you're from Africa to just say I'm from Africa. My friend. You'll wait and wait until you're like, oh, I gave up. Then they send you work. See, when you give up, they'll send you work when you're from Africa. Yeah, but if you put that I'm from USA, a trick that you can play with, I say these people will actually they will give you work when you say that you're from America. They will give you work. Even if they see a black person like me here talking like this is a website, I like it, they will send you work. They will send you work until you say, my God, I don't want to work with that website there. I know it. They will send you work until you get annoyed with them that you people, I don't want to work again. So, if you're a computer guy like me, and you're there seated with your phone, my friend, yeah, my friend, try that website. If you like challenges, try that website. That website will challenge you. You'll get your $5. There's a person I taught, just went to him and taught. This boy made, within a week, he made, let me see, over $100. 5 minutes, $5. 5 minutes, $5 in a week. Then the next week he was like, oh, sir, these people keep sending me messages I don't even want. And I'm like, what? So that's the trick about this thing. So when you go to this internet, I tell you, you're going to learn a lot. It's going to open your minds. You're just not going to be there and then go say, oh, I want to make money online. Cheap apps like watch videos, watch app, watch movies and get money, get paid. No, my friend, you will get money. Number one, there are chances that you learn on a website that we don't know. And you learn on a person that will even say like, oh, Sam, I want to work with you. Now, like I'm a web designer, I do a lot of things. Anything on the computer. Sometimes I just tell if I know. Even if I don't know, I know. Why? Because I'm comfortable. I just say, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want me to do? If you say, I want a website, I'm like, okay. If I don't know how to design a website, I'll go. The moment I finish a meeting with you, I'll go on Google and start searching, reading. Go to YouTube. I learn. Website designing, I didn't know. Someone just from your phone, hey, Sam, they have a job. Someone wants to work with you on internet that you do designing websites for them. My friend, I got nervous. I didn't know what I was doing. I'm like, God help me. I didn't have money. The only thing I had to do, I requested for a phone. Asked someone to get me a simple phone. I think it was like over $20. I searched on YouTube. This person was willing to teach me, taught me very well, and I learned it. That is simple. The other thing that are even going to be more challenging for you, like affiliate marketing. That thing is huge. It's very huge. I'm still learning, and I'm going to be learning together with you. I'll post everything in this channel that I do. Everything. So that is it for today. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment on what you like, what you don't like about me. About me. Yeah, subscribe. before commenting, subscribe. I don't want to see you commenting. You don't want to see me. It's bad, my friend. It's bad. So, yes, go and comment. Go and comment. Mr. Money. Yeah. What have I called Mr. Money? Check in the comments. Bye for today. See you again later. Okay.
No! God, please, no! No! No!